Up and release. 8, 7, 6, looking good. 5, we're squeezing those muscles. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Arms are coming to the side. It goes 1, 2, 3, and release. 1, 2, 3, and release. 1, 2, 3. 3 more, looking good. 1, 2, 3, and release. Squeeze. 2, 3. 1 more. Up. 2, 3, and so we're here. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Halfway down. Lift and in. Up. Halfway down. It's lift and drop. Up. Halfway down. Lift and drop. Up. Halfway down. Lift and drop. So my weights are coming here. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. There's 4. It's down. Knees. Waist. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squeeze. 2, 3. 2 more. 2, 2, 3. 1 more. 4, 3, 2. Hold it here. It goes right, up, left, up, right, up, left, up. Perfect. Getting those arms, getting that back. Perfect. We have 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. So my legs coming back is going 1, 2, squeeze, then release. Curl, down, squeeze. Perfect. That's that nice hammer. Down. Squeeze those glutes and drop. Hammer. Down. Squeeze. Drop. 4. Down. Squeeze. Drop. 3. Down. Squeeze. 2 more. 2. Down. Squeeze. Drop. Last time. 1, 2, 3. Hold it. Shoulders. It goes up, down. 8 and down. 7 and down. We just got 6 more. 6. Looking good. 5. I know I feel it too. Look at me shaking. 4, 3, 3, 2, and 1. Going back to those hammer curls. It's going up, release. There's my glutes. Hammer, drop, squeeze, and release. 2, drop. Perfect. Looking good. So that's all we have for you today. This is Body by Jeffrey coming to you live from Los Angeles. Perfect. Don't forget to like, to share, tell everyone how fun it is to have fitness and social. It's just energetic fitness fun is all we're doing here.